Greetings everyone, my YouTube family. This is Freja Enjoy. This coming video I will show you now. I wanted to have these words with you first. If only one of you on YouTube, my subscribers or my family on YouTube, look at this video, if one person see it, it's important. Because as I say in the coming video, this is what I talk about. No one else knows, actually. Even wherever I have been, like having high positions in society and all these kind of things, no one knows about these things I tell you here. And I tell you here on YouTube this because, of course, I am the one who knows this, because it comes from me. And I am a multidimensional being, like you all are, but I'm today awakened and totally conscious about this. So I like you to stay tuned and look at the whole video. Don't stop now. This is something I tell that comes from my heart and my soul. I give it out freely. It's important for the one who sees it, because you're gonna be upgraded and having light codes yourself by just watching me doing this video, like my other videos too. This is one of the secrets with my YouTube videos. My YouTube videos is going to be more and more important as time goes on. Just watch and see. So now over to the coming video that I made for about 1 hour ago. Blessings and welcome. Greetings everyone, this is Freja Enjoy. Welcome all my YouTube family, welcome. I am doing this video like a follow-up, the video I did about learn to be grateful. In that video, I talked about to be grateful for the small things in life. And I talked about to be grateful that you have yourself. I know I have done a video before about what it is, but not like I'm gonna do now. This is an important following up from that video. What is it to have yourself? Yes, I talked about it in more than one video before on YouTube. To have yourself, you can have yourself in many different ways. You can have yourself in a deepened way, where you go deeper into yourself and really understand what it means to have yourself. You can have yourself in many different ways. And I placed myself in this place. Can you see what's said here above my head? Captain Wheel. It says Captain Wheel. And I actually saw this and went up here, and I was taking this wheel and I said, Freja Enjoy is here, captain of my ship. And this is a wonderful, beautiful thing to say, if it means something. And to me, it means the whole world. It means my whole life. It means 100% commitment to my life, to my path, to my spiritual path on earth. This is what it means to me. So why do I say that it means different things to different people? Because not everyone is at where I am, of course. And to say that is also meaning different things to different people. And as I said in other videos, you don't judge people. Don't judge people. Everyone is at exactly the place they should be. Everyone is to be respected for where they are in life. and for what they experience and what kind of learning they go through. Everyone on earth, every human being goes through some kind of learning experiences. Whether the human being are aware of this or not, it's an experience of learning. That's what it's all about. And when you have rooted this in yourself, deep in yourself, you will go on root this deeper and deeper in yourself. That's what's happening. And when you root it deeper in yourself, you will also go higher up in what you are, and you will get in contact with what you truly are and what you truly came to earth as, which is a multidimensional being. That's what you are. Either you are conscious of this or not, you are a multidimensional being. When you awaken to this and understand that this is what you are going to develop into now, there is an amazing life in front of you. Amazing life in front of you. But I'm not going to talk about that exactly more right now. I'm going to talk about this subject, that is, what is it really to have yourself? For the first of all, to have yourself is not one thing or two things or three things. It's a lot of things. And you can say also, when you go to my YouTube channel, Freja Enjoy, every single video in my channel is about learning, how you learn to be with yourself, how you learn to be true to yourself, how you learn to really experience everything you are, how you learn to take care of yourself. It's all about that. People who are more enlightened than some other people is also people. It's no difference. The difference is that more enlightened people live more balanced. They can take if it's ups and downs, because they know they are not the ups and downs, because they know that this is the so-called contrast that's going on while you are living your human life on earth. You cannot live a human life on earth without contrasts. So you better learn to take the ups and downs and be in inner peace inside of you. So you can learn this much more easy when you go into learning what is good meditation and what is good yoga. So I have gone through this not for some years. I did this for decades, actually. Work with these things inside of myself, all my energy bodies, as I am an energy healer. So this is something you can help yourself through. So I have, of course, studied and tried so many traditions of yoga and meditations before I was beginning to meditate, as I am a psychic medium also since many, many years. I'm an authorized professional psychic medium. So, of course, I've gone through all the different traditions on earth when it comes to yoga and meditation. And then I could begin. That's my path. I don't say others should do the same. I say that's my path. So I went through that, and then I began to channel what I am the founder of. That is Dolphin Yoga 5 Stars Program, 5 Stars Programming, which I talk about in other videos. I have a very short video about what it's all about. You can go back in my channel and look at that one. It's just like 3 minutes long or something, that video about what that is. Dolphin Yoga 5 Stars Program, 5 stars programming. So the thing is, what you do when you learn to have yourself is that you learn that to be yourself is not one state. You're gonna deepening this experience while you learn to have yourself. It's easier to be your true self, what you truly are, and what you truly came here for, when you deepen this experience, because as more you deepening this experience, the more you will get in contact with all different parts of you that are you. You are not a 3D matrix human being, even if so many people still think they are and live in 3D matrix. When I say this, I don't say this out from judging. I say this about and from my own experiences. I went through hardships, all kind of hardships you can go through on earth before I'm sitting here doing this video. I had all kind of so-called problems. Yes. And I wanted to be a medical doctor. Worked many years on hospital, but it didn't suit me because I'm a healer. I work with a multidimensional healing. That's what I do. But to come here, I have to understand every single problem human beings can have on earth. I had to go through that myself. Okay, I'm in a woman's body. I may look like a woman. I am a woman, but I choose this myself. Because woman body has a special quality that don't man body have. And I use that in my human life as a soul in my human life with a crystalline heart. So what I do is that I help people to awaken and come into higher consciousness. And as long as this goes, I still work with all kind of people. I am also an ascension guide. Some other ascension guides have chosen to only help people who already began to go into the ascension process. I have not done that. I have chosen to go into 3D matrix to meet people there and to give them clarity and lessons and to see me, and they start a process. The most of the people I meet don't know anything about what I'm starting in them. I just have to meet them sometimes for 5 minutes and I start a process in them. This is what I'm doing. You have to be very, very strong and very unselfish to do the work I do on earth. Because there is actually no one exactly knowing or understand the depth of the work I do here on earth. What I do will be more recognized, and I had to go through, as I said before, so many hardships and to go through it myself. There is no 3D matrix doctors or anything who could ever help me or have helped me, because I went through things I had to solve myself. So I know how I can help Earth and people here now. And this is not either coming from judging, because I know so many doctors and they are skilled. It's not about that. It's about that I'm working with multidimensionality. That's what it's all about. So, of course, I have experience from everything in 3D Matrix. Educations, not one education on university. I have many educations and I tried so much, all kind of things. I have up to doctor's degree. I have so many educations, skills and knowledges, and I have been one of the absolute best because I have the best results and more than the best results. because that's what I put like something I want in myself, to know that, okay, I done this because I needed that, I wanted that. Yeah. So what you do when you learn to have yourself is to learn, what am I? And that's what you're beginning to learn when you do meditations and you do yoga. You begin with different kinds and you learn, what kind of things do I learn from this yoga and this meditation? And here it comes in, what is discipline? Because here you have to have the hardest discipline. So I have been worked in the Swedish Air Force. Yes, the highest commander in Swedish Air Force recommended me as an officer, but I move on as I did in every kind of work I had in 3D Matrix. So I know what discipline is, and I know truly depth of what discipline is. And I am not a person who talk about mechanical learning or discipline. I talk about natural, balanced, and flowing learning and discipline. That's why I am the founder of Dolphin Yoga, because I know about these things. So, what you do when you learn more about yourself and how to own yourself and have yourself is that there is nothing more important in your whole life than to own yourself. There is nothing more important in your whole life. You can own the whole world. You can have money, how much money you want. I can tell you, I know from people who have been millionaires, they still want new things. They are not satisfied. They get some new things for a lot of money, but they are not satisfied. So this is the learning. This is just one example, but it's a very good example. People go on in 3D Matrix wanting more and more things, and they think they're gonna get freedom out from that. Freedom don't come from owning things. Freedom don't come from having a lot of money. Freedom comes from your inside, to own yourself. I would like you, beautiful YouTube family, if you have questions in this subject, please don't be scared to say that in the comments under this YouTube video. Please tell me. I will consider to do YouTube videos out from your questions. And if you think what I say is bullshit, you are welcome to tell me that. I can take it. I will welcome that too. Whatever, please communicate with me. Thank you so very much. I love you all. Unconditional love, blessings and peace from me, Freja Enjoy. Blessings.